in chemistry lab 2, there are some metric units, and so let's convert from kilograms to grams, and let's pretend like this is an avocado. It probably should have a little bit larger of a seed ratio to the mate. I looked this up, and an avocado is about 0.17 kilograms. Well, what does a kilo mean? It means 1,000, and we are going to learn, or we are learning, that there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. This is called dimensional analysis, and when we put something on the top that cancels with something on the bottom, it allows us to convert to another unit. So let's see how many grams in 0.17 kilograms. So let's get our calculator out, turn it on, clear it. We are in degrees mode here. Very good. 0.17 multiplied by 1,000. I get 170 grams. That works out pretty nicely. That's got 2 sig figs, and so does this one. Very nice, mate. There are 454 grams in a pound, so this looks like about 1/3 of a pound, doesn't it? Probably do some metric English conversions later. I just wanted to do something simple and easy with you. What if you were asked to report this number, though, in scientific notation? If you went to second and then this DRG button and then went to scientific and hit enter, it would convert it to 1.7 times 10 to the 2. That's equal to 1.7 times 10 to the 2 grams, isn't it? It's the same thing. Then if we wanted to go back, we could just hit second degree and take it back to floating decimal and hit enter, and that'll take us right back where we came from.